you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is part 2 of Thanksgiving recipes, healthy Thanksgiving recipes, and this is healthier Thanksgiving desserts. We're gonna do 3 recipes today. I'm super excited. Again, I have pulled these recipes from the Roasted Root. I highly recommend going over to her website. She has so many incredible recipes, so many that are paleo, so many that are keto, vegan, so many options over there, and you just modify them to make them work best for you and your body. Love it. I love her website. Sign up for her email list. She's incredible. She comes out with new recipes all the time. They're all SIBO gut friendly. These are all things that I can eat. These are all things that work well for me and my body. Do what is best for you. Always, everybody that's working with gut issues needs to listen to your body, what sweeteners work good for you, what ingredients work best for you and your body. I picked these ones because these are all ingredients that work well for me and my body. So I really hope that they work well for you and your body. If you remake any of these recipes, don't forget to go tag me on Instagram, tag me and the Roasted Root on Instagram. I am at the Sick Fit Chick. I would love to see your creations and just see what you guys made for Thanksgiving this year. For today, we are making... Hello, Nora. Do you want to say hi to your fans? Do you want to say hi to your fans? She says it's wet and rainy outside, Mommy. I want to be outside and play, but it's cold and rainy. Oh dear. Now that I've got the kitty voice, we got the dogs coming. Hello, guys. The entourage is all here. Okay, can you guys all go play? All go play. Okay, I just had to put all of the animals, they're gonna like all over my floors and then you can't hear me. Okay, so the recipes that we are making today, you guys, they're like mouth-wateringly delicious looking, so I'm so excited to try them. We are going to be making a paleo pumpkin pie bar. We're also going to be making a gluten-free apple cobbler, and we are going to be making this one, you guys. Very excited about, but it is a paleo pecan pie bar. So skipping the pies this year, definitely sticking to bars, especially since I plan on packaging these up and sending them off to people because we don't need all the dessert right now because we're gonna be making all the desserts next week. And I just think that bars are really easy to just, you know, you can take a little bar, mix and match. You don't need a whole big piece of pie. Just take little bits. Just take the little bits that you want. So we're gonna be making those today. If this is content that you guys like to see, if you guys like healthy recipes, if you like healthy alternative recipes for SIBO gut issues, if you just like getting ideas for healthy recipes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. Don't forget, a little like goes a long way in the YouTube algorithm, and this girl so appreciates it. And I so appreciate each and every one of you. If you hit that little notification bell, you'll never miss another video with this girl right here, because it'll send you a notification when my next video comes out. I really hope that this video helps you find some delicious recipes that you can eat and enjoy this year for Thanksgiving. And let's jump into making these delicious Thanksgiving dessert recipes. I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Oh my goodness, you guys, I am so excited. I think this one's gonna be my favorite. Pecan pie bars.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. I'm not acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we don't. It's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 so take me on a trip, oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we don't.
That's it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed these delicious looking recipes. I know that I sure did. And if you guys recreate these recipes, don't forget to go tag me on Instagram. I'm at the Sick Fit Chick. I would love to have you over there. We talk more health, fitness, psoriatic arthritis, lots of chronic illness support over there. So go join me over there if that's something that you're looking for. I hope this brought something really happy, really joyful to your day. I really hope that you found a recipe that inspires you to cook for Thanksgiving dinner this year. If you're dealing with some gut issues, reviews. I'm with you. I'm there, and I'm so excited to have recipes to be eating. If you guys have not seen my healthy Thanksgiving recipes, I will link that above, and I'll have it in the description box down below. It's got a turkey recipe, it's got a green bean casserole recipe, and a sweet potato stuffed with caramelized pear and pecans. You guys, some delicious gut-friendly recipes for Thanksgiving dinner. Go check out that video because it's got some really great recipes in it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you made it to the end of the video and you like me, if you like healthy recipes, if you like being inspired, if you just need some extra love and support and sunshine in your day, please go do a little love tap on that subscribe button and join the fam because I would love to have you here. I so appreciate each and every one of you. If you guys hit that little notification bell, you'll never miss another video with this girl right here because it'll send you a notification when my next video comes out. I put out videos every Thursday, and I would just love to have you here. I really hope you guys enjoyed these delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments down below which ones you're going to be checking out. All the recipes will be linked in the description box down below. They are all from The Roasted Root. Please go check out The Roasted Root. She is absolutely incredible. She's also on Instagram. I will have her Instagram up here. Go check her out. She does phenomenal recipes. I have been enjoying her website, and all of her recipes that I've tried are delicious. I absolutely love them. And all of these are paleo, SIBO, gut friendly for me. So I hope that they are for you as well. And lots of love from my house to yours. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.